Salut, bienvenue sur la chaîne Parlons français. Je m'appelle Emmanuel, votre professeur de français de cette chaîne. My name is Emmanuel, your favorite teacher of this channel. Today we are going to learn some useful expressions in French on this channel. If this is your first time of watching this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you could get prompt notifications of videos anytime we upload them. This is Let's Speak French. Parlons français. Merci. So the first expression we are going to look at is de temps en temps. De temps en temps, which means from time to time. From time to time in French is de temps en temps. So I'm going to give you an example sentence, which is nous visitons le zoo de temps en temps. It simply means we visit the zoo from time to time. Alright. The next expression we are going to talk about is toujours. Or someone will say toujours. Toujours, which means always. Always. Someone said in this an example sentence, François a toujours de la chance. And it means François or Francis is always lucky. Le bus est toujours là. The bus is always there. That is the second expression. The third expression is quelque fois. Quelque fois. Quelque fois simply means sometimes. Sometimes. Je prends quelquefois des photos. Je prends quelquefois des photos, which simply means I sometimes take pictures. I sometimes take pictures. The next expression is parfois. Parfois. Parfois simply means sometimes. Sometimes. Le policier aide parfois les vieux à traverser la rue. Le policier aide parfois les vieux à traverser la rue, which simply means the policeman sometimes helps the aged to cross the street. The next one is souvent. Souvent. Souvent simply means often or often. Souvent means often or often. Il pleut souvent chez nous, which means it sometimes rains at our place. It often rains in our area. So that is souvent. The next expression is encore. Encore means again or still. Il est encore là, meaning he is still there. Chante encore une fois. This means sing again. Sing again. Chante encore une fois. So encore means again or still. The next expression we are looking at is chaque jour. Chaque jour. Chaque jour means each day. Each day. La vendeuse va au marché chaque jour. La vendeuse va au marché chaque jour. The seller goes to the market each day. So that is the meaning. La vendeuse va au marché chaque jour. Then we have the next expression, which is tous les jours. Tous les jours, meaning every day. So we have a difference here. Chaque jour means each day. Tous les jours means every day. So look at this example sentence. Ici en Afrique, il fait du soleil tous les jours. Ici en Afrique, il fait du soleil tous les jours. This simply means the sun shines every day here in Africa. The sun shines every day here in Africa. So let's look at this. Tous les jours, that is every day, chaque jour, each day. The next expression is une fois. Une fois means once. Une fois means once in English. So this is the example. Mon chien mange une fois par jour. Mon chien mange une fois par jour. It simply means my dog eats once a day. My dog eats once a day. Okay, so one thing I want us to note is that most of the useful expressions we have just seen as synonyms. Most of them are synonyms. They mean almost the same as the others. Okay, so I want to go through with you with some other useful expressions, just brushing through them. So we have tous les jours, chaque jour. They all mean every day. Then we have tous les mois. Chaque mois means every month. Tous les lundis, chaque lundi, they all mean every Monday. Every Monday. Une fois par semaine means once a week. Deux fois par semaine means twice a week. Trois fois par semaine also means 3 times a week. So these are the useful expressions that I want us to keep in mind or learn. This is Let's Speak French. Kindly subscribe to the channel or give us a thumb up if you like the video. Share. You can also share with friends to help grow the channel. So I'm going to go through the useful expressions once again. And they are de temps en temps, from time to time. Toujours, always. Quelquefois, sometimes. Parfois, sometimes. Souvent, often or often. Encore, again or still. Chaque jour, each day. Tous les jours, every day. Une fois, once. Ok. So, je m'appelle Emmanuel, votre professeur de français de cette chaîne. Parlons français. Let's Speak English GH. Subscribe to the channel and learn more French or learn more basic French and share the video. Hope to see you or hope to hear from you from the comment box or likes. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Parlons français. Au revoir. I will say bye bye. Merci. Parlons français.